Hello. The following is the solution for how to do the next example that you should have done on your own for completing the square. This was example 8 on section 1.4. We want to complete the square for 4x squared plus 6x plus 5 equals 0. So the first thing I want to do is subtract 5 from both sides. That gives me 4x squared plus 6x equals negative 5. At this point, I want a 1 in front of x squared, so I'm going to divide everything by 4. When I do that, I get x squared plus 6/4 simplifies to 3/2. X is equal to negative 5 over 4 does not simplify. At this point, you look at the number in front of x. That's 3/2. Multiply by 1/2 all the time. You get 3/4. Then square that answer. Whenever you square that answer, you get 9/16. Add that to both sides. So x squared plus 3/2 x plus 9/16 is equal to negative 5 over 4 plus 9 over 16. These three terms will always factor into the same thing, so it's x and then plus 3/4 squared is equal to negative 5/4 plus 9/16. Common denominator of 16 means I need to multiply the first fraction by 4 over 4, so that's negative 20 over 4 here. Negative 20 over 16 here. So negative 20 over 16 plus 9 over 16, negative 20 plus 9 is negative 11 over 16. The square root property now. So x plus 3/4 is equal to plus or minus the square root of negative 11 over the square root of 16. That means x plus 3/4 is equal to plus or minus I square root of 11 over 4. Subtract 3/4 from both sides, so x equals negative 3/4 plus or minus I square root of 11 over 4. Because it is a non-real complex solution, I do not need to combine these into the same fraction.